Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. That's quite a long name, and this one is not looking good. So let's go fix it. So this one, we can see that there's a screen protector over this display, but the user has dropped this on one of the corners here. So you have lots of green, pink, and dark lines lining the right side of the display. So we're gonna remove that problematic part and replace it with a new one. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover. So this is held on by adhesive, so we will be very careful and deliberate when removing this part. Now also spray some fluid there to agitate the glue, and there you go. So next thing, we're gonna mark some specialty screws, because David has noticed that some of screws are not the same like the rest. So we're gonna unscrew them all, and the camera lens cover, it has fallen off. We're also gonna remove the main cover for the main board. Also gonna take our time here and slowly lift it up. Make sure there's no connector attached to this part. And you see there's still a screw that's not fully unscrewed. We're going to remove the connector for the battery and the display, but we're going to reconnect the battery connector. We're going to leave the connector for the display open because we're going to test if our replacement display will work with this main board, or we'll get a new replacement display. Sometimes that happens. Let's see if this one is gonna work. We have made sure that the connector for the battery is connected properly. You can see there, it's booting up. So it's not really matte, it's still a glossy display, and it's really brand new. So the touchscreen is working. Camera, although David is upside down, is all good. We are currently in an inverted orientation. So that's it. We're gonna turn this off and continue with our disassembly. So we're gonna remove the battery on this one, put that to the side, and remove this plastic film, because underneath this plastic film is the connector for the display, and we have to remove that one before we can detach the actual display at the front side. I'm gonna peel this one off, and then once we come to this area, we can just pry it through the side, slice it, and pull it out. There you go. Some adhesives left. Oh no, it's the frame for the display, so that got detached. It's not supposed to go with the display. And then we're gonna reuse the rubber gasket around the front camera hole. If you don't install this into the new display, this is gonna cause some dust accumulated inside the camera, the front camera. That's gonna ruin your photos. We're gonna address the messed up frame, especially on the sides here. So you have the actual housing and then a frame that's made of plastic, and then over those plastic frames you have the actual display. So we're gonna put sufficient amount of adhesive so we can attach our replacement display. It's gonna take some time, and make sure we don't mess up the front camera on this corner here. Then we're gonna install the replacement display. Slowly position it in place and press it in. So there's no deformity on the actual housing, so the replacement display just goes right in. I'm gonna attach the display connector and then the plastic film and then the battery, then connect the battery, because without that connector and we have closed up the device, it's not gonna turn on. I'm gonna reassemble everything, just gonna reverse the process. Remember which hole each screw goes into. You have this camera lens cover, of course, and it's quite disappointing because behind this quite elaborate camera lens cover, they're just tiny cameras, actual cameras. But it's working. It's gonna get good photos because of the computational capabilities of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. It's actually very long name. Turn this on and it's showing us the battery sign. Let's try again. There it is. So if you want the same service on your Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, just message David. He's gonna give you the right service, right replacement parts, so you can enjoy your Xiaomi smartphone for many years to come. You no need to buy a brand new smartphone every year. If you have something broken, you can just fix it, save some money, and then reuse it for a year or two. So that's it. This one is fixed. So hope you enjoy this, guys. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.